Hello everyone, this is Akriti and you're watching me on Akriti Handa. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share my honest reviews on Wow Skin Sense product, which is their Himalayan Rose shampoo and conditioner. So further ado, let's begin with the video. Also, before going further in the video, let me clear some of the points about the brand as well. As I said, it is a well-known brand, and moreover to that, it is an Indian brand. So why not we include it? We should promote our nation and be vocal for our locals. This brand promotes nature and women empowerment, as the products are made from naturally derived ingredients, and also 80% of the people working with this brand are women. As this brand promotes nature, all the products comes with eco-friendly packaging, free from harmful chemicals, sulfate, silicone, paraben, artificial colorant and fragrance. So it suits almost all skin types. All the products are dermatologically tested, cruelty-free and 100% vegan. With all the goodness, it comes with a unique QR code for each product so that you can never be fooled and check its authenticity whenever you purchase any of the product from Wow. This brand also have an official website and app for all the Android and iOS users. Wow products are available in Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Nykaa, Purple.com and now also in nearest offline stores. Both shampoo and conditioner comes with 300 ml of pump bottle with lock. This range is specially created for dry, damaged, color and chemically treated hair. Each product costs for Rs 449 and comes with 2 years of shelf life. If we talk about shampoo, it is infused with rose hydrosol and provitamin B5, which helps to calm the irritated scalp and revive weak and damaged strands. The conditioner is infused with rose hydrosol, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil and olive oil, which is highly beneficial to protect weak strands, add shine, softness and moisture, also improves hair elasticity and health. Both the products are not harsh and leaves a warm note of aromatic roses. For the first step, all we need to do is to wet our hair with warm water. Now you all must be thinking why warm water, cause warm water helps to cleanse the scalp more nicely than the cold water. For the second step, we need to dilute the shampoo with warm water and not directly apply on the scalp. Now we will apply this water and shampoo mixture on our scalp. For the next step, we need to massage our scalp for 2 to 3 minutes with medium pressure. Now we need to rinse well the shampoo and squeeze the excess water. Now comes with the conditioner. Take enough quantity of conditioner and apply it gently on semi-dried hair. Also be careful and not apply it onto the scalp. Now we will wash off with cold water to lock the smoothness and shine all together with the goodness of Himalayan roses. As you can see, my hair looks very rough and dull. Now this is the after. My hair feels more soft, looks shiny and manageable. Also it smells like real roses. Also I have Himalayan Roses body butter, which I am going to review soon on my next video. So yeah, this is all I wanted to share with you all, and I hope you really liked it and it is helpful for you. You can also check out my hair care playlist where I shared my hair oiling routine as well. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for more such videos. Bye. See you in my next video.